guys, and welcome back to this new video. Today we are going to make a visual content about a new service we are launching here in our company that's called DSF realization for companies. So we are going to be doing, since it's a new year, people are going to be doing much GSF. So we are going to make a visual content telling people that we do that for them. So stay tuned for this video and don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. So as usual, we're going to go on canva.com and we are going to choose social media, Facebook, and I will choose Facebook post. So the principal objective is to make people understand that we as a company, as an organization, we can do better GSF if that is physical services for them. So we are going to start by this a blank page. We already have our test somewhere in our WhatsApp group. So we are going to collect it there from one of our members who already did the content for us. So we are going to what the division of our page will like this. Since we want really to emphasize on the content, the text, because last time I did another logo. This more consulting. Yeah, this is it. I'm going to hide the company. So how will I do? I want to separate the page into two. Damn. So I will collect the previous information here, just paste it on my design. Okay, so where is it? It is not really small, it's just that my screen size is small. I like to emphasize about because you can see it and be thinking that the design is small, but the font size is really 19, which is really large as font. So this I will reduce opacity more again. Or let's even try with yeah. Every time I want to move things, I can block it to move it easily and just relocate, reopen it after so that I can make change easily.